Dollar index intraday H4 time frame, you can see a big crash last week. Price came down in 5 impulsive wave. Like I explained in last video, if you watch again, you can see dollar index failed to break out and failed to make new range high, immediate vertical waterfall, and this support breakdown, retest, instantly new lower low. So dollar index now going down. This is a big resistance level like double top near 101. First near support broken, retest. Now it is a resistance. If it fall more, next can be 99. So you have so many support level. Wait for retracement because everyone in shock after last week reaction. So it can make more correction because these are 5 impulsive wave, maybe triangle or ABC zigzag. But resistance is still 100.51. Wait for retest. In case of downside, these two will be big static horizontal support level 98,639 and 99.203. For more clarity, if you go on daily time frame, first of all you have intraday support here, but daily time frame you have this trend line. Only tested 2 times. If it fall more below $99, then first you have trend line on daily time frame. Second, you have support on H4 time frame. Third, if price fall more, then you have 5 impulsive wave structure, where market currently trading in 5th impulsive wave, which need a counter trend correction, that's mean up direction. So if this is a double top, then this was your neckline. It need a correction. Once neckline retest again, you can sell again. So this is your wave A, counter trend correction wave V, 5 impulsive wave, which is your wave C. So time will tell wave C already over or it will take time. But this waterfall last week, 5 impulsive wave down, it needs some correction. According to Elliott wave theory, counter trend correction can go up to 4th wave high, that's mean 100.51. That is first resistance. In downside, these two are your support level. But in this area, wait for correction but trade with bearish bias. So you have two setup. If price spike do counter trend correction, you will sell on resistance area, the daily time frame double top setup. Or if it keep falling, does not stop, then below 99.203, that is first support. This entire support zone area, in this area you can trade with bullish bias. So either you wait for spike, then you sell on resistance, or if price fall more from here, you buy in support zone, that's mean below $99. If you see weekly time frame, then if you watch all the old video, then how many times I said this is a big static support zone under Biden timing. Now it is resistance under Trump timing. And now you have one more rejection, big crash last week, verified by fundamental reason, not random, not technical, pure fundamental. So under Biden timing, just before Trump inauguration, dollar index was going constantly up, then vertical fall. It is doing same thing once again, going up and up, a rising wave chart pattern. First of all, price failing almost upper part of the trend line, the range, plus this complete wave Y 38% retracement zone, plus big static horizontal resistance level. If you divide market in 3 parts, Trump want rate cut, market demanding hike, because of that Fed cannot cut. So Fed choose middle path, not hike, not cut, but made Trump happy was the political player. They did pause in favor of Trump, and with help of US Treasury, with help of Bank of Japan, and they have weak dollar, like they are doing rate cut. So Trump get what he want, a effect, the market reaction what you get after rate cut. So message from Trump is clear. You can do anything. You can crash bond market, dump bonds. Two story at the same time. Market dumping, they demanding hike. Trump doing market intervention with Treasury market and Bank of Japan to make Japanese yen so much strong that by default dollar index become weak. So this is fighting. It is happening between Trump who want rate cut versus market who want a rate hike. Let's see who will win, but everyone know Trump is like a god. He controls so much power, so much resource. You cannot go against Trump. In the end, Trump will get what he wants. So market was demanding hike before FOMC. After FOMC meeting, market was demanding hike before market intervention in yen, and still they are demanding hike. So let's see what happened, but both are fighting Trump and market. So this is a big story, exclusive Financial Times home page. Let's see how market react on Monday market open. Then Friday this week, super important NFP news. Even if NFP comes super hot, but still you can see Trump will do what he wants, a rate cut. Even if Fed cannot do under market pressure, but you will get effect of rate cut, big dollar. So next step, I just explained, this is a weekly time frame. Price coming from upper part of the range, like rising wedge chart pattern, the resistance, the retracement level. Daily price is making double top, neckline breakout. Now the test part, H4, if you see, price making 5 impulsive wave after JPY intervention. So market needs some correction counter trend. After that, neckline of double top on daily time frame, and currently price testing big support zone area. You can see the lower trend line of the chart pattern. More action depends on NFP. So this is chart pattern rising wedge. Let's see post NFP this Friday, lower trend line breakdown or not. So Euro USD weekly time frame, mostly inverted chart of dollar index, but still you can see this chart pattern, lower trend line tested so many times, strong trend line. Now price testing upper trend line, the third retest. It is a triangle chart pattern, ABCDE or time will tell, but this look like triangle chart pattern and big spike after retest of lower trend line, final wave. Not random, pure fundamental play by Fed and Trump. So Fed did policy change, not a hike. Trump did with the help of Treasury market, the currency market manipulation. They have weak dollar. Now final step is trend line breakout this week. You need NFP confirmation. Only cool NFP can break out. If triangle is real, in case of cool NFP, there will be big breakout. But if hot NFP come, nothing new, market already fighting for a hike. The market can dip, but still lower trend line be big static support level. But in case of hot NFP, market can dip, but still lower trend line will be big dynamic support level. So you can see Friday closing almost there, upper trend line retest. So total 4 retest. So let's see Monday market open, how market react. But I think breakout, the fundamental confirmation NFP, you need to wait till NFP, the Friday. A breakout come, that means weekly time frame, trend line breakout, chart pattern, triangle correction and breakout move coming. Why in case of cool number action will be weak compared to hot number? Because hot number means more possibility of hike, but already market doing that thing. The Trump fighting for cut, market fighting for a hike. Fed in the middle. That's why they are pausing interest rate. But in case of cool number, everyone will be in same direction. In that condition, there will be huge price action. Even if you watch H4 time frame for more clarity, there is a small change between dollar index and Euro USD technical chart, but mostly they are same. From this top, AVC wave structure W, counter trend correction ABCDE triangle, correction X, after that vertical fall wave Y correction. So after wave Y, this entire trend top to bottom, that trend over, right now we are in correction. Explain in separate gold video, but gold is doing triangle chart pattern correction, this sideways range. While Euro USD, you can see after wave Y, it is making AVC flat correction, like counter trend correction, like wave X almost there, just trend line in the way. Once trend line breakout, price retrace back to wave XI. So here is your USD JPY weekly chart. This is US Treasury market, Bank of Japan. They make Japanese yen so much strong, despite huge market pressure for rate hike, despite cool CPI number 2 times, 1 week NFP number. Even after market intervention, still they are demanding for a hike. That's why you have two news articles on the home page at the same time. Trump fighting for a cut and market dumping bond. Because market say this is wrong. You cannot do currency devaluation so fast. Now price testing lower part of the channel. Friday action was so much strong. It needs some correction. And once correction start, Monday market open. I think correction can continue till Friday NFP number. So price going up in a parallel channel, but still it is uptrend, making higher high with higher low. No new lower low, testing lower part of the range. So correction can happen. So this area near 160.5, that is big resistance level. Correction can retrace up to this area. But NFP this Friday, not much time. This week I don't think market fully retrace back to 160.5 area. Only small correction possible. You need a very hot number to retrace all the way back to 160 area. GPUSD daily chart price action is interesting. You have trend line, upper trend line, total 4 retest. So let's see how market react, breakout or fake out. But you need NFP confirmation. Market close on upper trend line retest. Just waiting for breakout this week. But these two trend lines, these are your dynamic support and resistance. Market is making multi-year sideways range. But again, this is like triangle. So wait for market reaction where it break out. It break out up or down for GBPUSD daily chart. But as a scalper, you will get retest entry. If market goes up or down, under both conditions, you will get one retest entry. You can watch previous video on currency market and oil prediction. This is big resistance zone. And last week you saw a big waterfall, big rejection from resistance zone area. So Trump is doing something. With the help of super strong JPY, they make dollar index weak. So Trump did something with oil and oil crashed before FOMC meeting last week. So Trump doing everything he can to get effect of rate cut. Oil was falling, dollar was falling. And this is happening when market bulling Fed for a hike. Because you cannot fight with Trump. So this is wave W, counter trend correction, ABCD triangle. Right now we are in wave Y. This will look like correction to entire trend, top to bottom WXY wave. After that market falling again, $92 area. It is new leg. It is doing some correction because some investors are buying from downside, some are selling from upside. But everything depends on Friday NFP this week. So if this top near $94 survive and after some counter trend correction like ABCD triangle, if market fall again, then it will change everything. Because term bond rate cut, he need weak NFP number, upcoming time cool CPI number and falling oil price. Under those recipe, nobody can stop rate cut. So watch carefully this top near 94 area survive or not, and after this correction where oil fall. You can see NASDAQ daily chart more than 10% decline, 11%, and I gave you warning in Telegram channel. Every time stock market fall more than 10%, Trump panic and he do something magical. Instead of doing anything with tariff or war, he did something new with help of JPY, Bank of Japan and Treasury market. They make dollar index very weak and big jump in NASDAQ. That was the update on perfect low before market open. You can see market crash 11%, NASDAQ Trump's favorite. Immediately Trump did something. The oil falling last week and dollar index falling last week. So this is your AVC flat correction after this bottom. It is over. Let's see how much it goes up. So NFP number this week come hot or cool does not matter. Trump will make sure stock market only go up and never crash more than 10%. Silver daily time frame after support breakdown, price is there making sideways range. It is making new sideways range below support. So if everything reverse, EURUSD trendline breakout, dollar index fall more after neckline double top retest, and NFP come cool, then this range can break out to upside. But same like gold, same like EURUSD, it is making a triangle chart pattern. So chart pattern are everywhere. You have chart pattern in GBPUSD, in gold, in silver. These three pair almost have same direction in theory and they have almost same pattern, a triangle. On intraday H4, watch carefully, upper trend line multiple retest, all failure. So upper trend line is super strong, total 5 test, all failure. So wait for upside breakout, just wait and watch. Once it break out, do not worry, after breakout on retest you can take entry. At least after breakout you will have clarity and you have NFP verification. So all the bulls who are waiting for buy, wait for upper trend line breakout. Or seller, if you are selling, you already sold inside the range. As long as silver H4 is trading below this trend line, you are safe. Then Bitcoin fall, make sideways correction, Bitcoin fall, make sideways correction, fall, again making sideways correction. So technical are bearish, higher time frame daily bearish trend. So wait for technical breakout, higher high with higher low. But this week if NFP come cool, everything will react, everything will explode. Under case of cool number, if Euro USD goes up, gold silver goes up, NASDAQ goes up, then Bitcoin can also go up because this is your inflation trade. Under case of hot number, so if it is making triangle chart pattern, wait for correction to end, because if Bitcoin fall again like these two correction, the ABC flag correction, if this is triangle and correction before more dump, then wait for new lower low. Immediately on new lower low below 56k area, immediately you can buy again. So either you wait for new lower low if it is a triangle, because everything is making triangle. Gold is making triangle, silver is making triangle, Bitcoin is also making triangle. ABC part complete. Right now it is trading in wave D. There is only one and last wave E. So everyone almost making a triangle. Gold triangle 100% complete, silver almost there, Bitcoin just ABC wave complete, D and E is remaining. So everything is making triangle, but gold is super clear, 100% complete, then silver, then Bitcoin. So trade plan is clear, wait for new lower low breakdown like pattern 2 time correction then dump, or clear confirmation from NFP. But resistance is clear near 82k area. Once reversal confirm either technically or NFP confirmation, upside target will be 82k area. So I have explained you everything in detail. Let's see dollar index H4 chart once again. Wave A, wave V. Right now we are trading in wave C, that is Elliott wave. Based on price action, this is like double top on daily time frame. Wave C, 5 impulsive wave complete, that is your JPY market intervention and Fed pause. After that it will do correction, it can be ABC or triangle, time will tell, because if NFP come hot then it can do sharp correction in up direction. If NFP come cool, immediately it can waterfall more. This support zone area, this is your buy zone, 99.203 up to 98.639. This support zone. In this support zone you will buy, you will trade with bullish bias if dollar fall more. Or if NFP come like same to same as expected, not cool, not hot, in the middle, then immediately triangle correction can begin. But wave A, V, wave C, 5 impulsive wave complete, it needs some correction before more waterfall.